Yeah? He's yelling at me again. Hey, are you yelling at me again? Yeah. As soon as I turn the camera on, he goes quiet. But he was really yelling at me. Hello. Would you like me to rub your head? Because I'll do that. I will. Oh, look at the tail going, eh? I think he likes that. Yes, I do. Him likes to be rubbed on his head. Him loves to be rubbed on his headular area, right behind his earular region. Yes. And around on his chinular place. On his chinular whiskers. Yes. I'm making up words. I am. Quite a cat, anyway. Well, I'm boiling water at the present time. And Rocky, as you can see, is talking up a storm again. He stopped for a while, but now he's talking again. And I'll rub him on his head, I will. And that's what's going on. Yeah. Talk to y'all later. Hope you're having a good morning so far.